8FT Halloween Inflatables Spider Outdoor Decorations. Transform your yard into a spooky spectacle. With this giant blow-up green spider. Standing at 8 feet tall, this inflatable features a mesmerizing rotating fire flame light that creates a kaleidoscopic effect, enhancing its eerie presence. With big red eyes, sharp fangs, and striking black and green legs, it's sure to scare and delight your neighbors and guests alike. Perfect for any Halloween party. Easy setup and long-lasting. Equipped with a premium fan, the inflatable fully inflates in just 1 minute. Designed for convenience, it also deflates automatically when unplugged. The fan boasts a service life of up to 5,000 hours, ensuring your Halloween decor lasts stable and secure. Don't worry about windy days. The inflatable comes with 2 sandbags, 3 ropes, and 3 stakes to keep it grounded. A 10 featuring power cord allows versatile placement, whether indoors or outdoors. Durable and safe. Materials. Made from 190T thickened polyester, this spider is both airtight and waterproof, making it a resilient addition to your holiday decor. Certified safety, with FCC and ETL certifications. This 8-foot inflatable spider is a fantastic and safe gift for family and friends, ensuring a thrilling Halloween experience.